I am here with another tech tip for you, and today I'm going to be doing a little part in Google Forms that I'm going to build on next week. So we're going to start with Google Forms. So I'm going to create a assessment. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the one that's already formatted as an assessment, basically because that presets up settings that makes it easier to do an assessment. One of the first things that I want to do for my assessments is always go to Settings and go to Responses and collect email addresses, because I want the students to use their school email and sign in with it, because then I have no problem with them doing anything with their names because I have the absolute correct email, and that means I can match it exactly to them because I have their email. Okay, so the next thing that I would do is go in and put questions in. And let me tell you one thing. If you're collecting email on there, you do not need name and you do not need email, because you're already collecting their email. And from their email, you can get their name. So you don't need that, okay? And I would go in and put my questions in, right? Now, after I have my quiz ready, I'm going to go ahead and link it to Sheets. But instead of just creating a new spreadsheet when I put it in Sheets, I'm going to select an existing spreadsheet. And this is how I put my gradebook together. So I put this existing spreadsheet into my Jumpstart gradebook. I click Insert, and it's automatically going to load that gradebook. Now, I already have a ton of forms in here, as you can see, and they're all coming in here. So all of the students' forms that they've turned in, I can see right here, and I can see their score. I'm going to go ahead and click on one. This is a video that I have where I introduce Edmentum, and you can see that every single form has the first three columns the same. Column 1 is going to be your date and time, column 2 is going to be the email address, and column 3 is going to be the score. Later on, because they're all formatted the same way, we're going to do something with that. But this is how I treat my gradebook. I put them all in here, and then my student grades go in here based on all of these forms. So this is step 1. Come back next week and I'll show you how to make it so that when a student submits the form, it automatically goes into their grades. Have a great week.